Dear friends, today I'm going to speak about an interesting book. Its title is Discourses of Ethnicity. This book is written by Susanna and it was published by Sage Publication in 1992. Sadly, this book is not available, it is out of print. And I read this book in a library and I realized that there is a need to speak on it because this book is very important to understand the various strands of ethnicity. This book is focusing on tribal life in India, especially in Jharkhand. And I noted a couple of points which are very important to discuss here. These points are the conceptualization of ethnicity, myth of tribe, poverty of development, tradition of protest, social imagination, culture of oppression. These points are very important and very relevant for tribal life. And this book is written in the early 90s, and author has done research in Jharkhand in early 80s and mid 80s. All these things are very relevant, and tribal people suffer from all these things. They are grappling with the challenges of massive displacement which are caused by development paradigm. And a state like Jharkhand is a very mineral rich state, and successive governments are exploiting it in name of development. So all these aspects are there in this book, and I recommend this book to understand various aspects of tribal life and how ethnicity is important in country like ours. Another important thing is this book is integrating archival data with field data, and it is lagging the gap between social history and social anthropology, which is very interesting. And text of this book is very dense and very lucid. I recommend this book to understand the various aspects of ethnicity, how the formation of ethnicity take place in country like India and other part of tribal life, how the colonial government constructed the tribal identity. It is very important to understand the way in which they are negotiating with multiple actors. Thank you so much.